every GTA game ranked by their stories. The Grand Theft Auto franchise has become popular for many reasons, partially because of the franchise's epic and memorable stories from amazing characters like Trevor, CJ, and Nico Bellic, and remarkable cities like Los Santos and Las Venturas to some of the best cutscenes ever. GTA games are known for offering interesting and immersive storylines. Keeping that in mind, let's begin today's countdown. Number 9, we have GTA 1. Grand Theft Auto is a game focused solely on exploration and open world gameplay while almost fully disregarding story. The storyline missions involve simply getting from one point to another with no interesting context between them. GTA's best asset wasn't the story but the fun fact that you could have through open world features in between the story chapters. Number 8, GTA 2. In GTA 2, the player follows the story of Claude Speed, a man who was recently released from jail who goes straight back to his life of crime by meeting with different criminal organizations throughout the story. Nevertheless, the story is not exactly immersive and even feels repetitive at times, although the game had some of the good aspects like unique open world features, but the storyline wasn't one of them. Number 7, we have GTA 3. GTA 3 offers a story that's simple and moves straight to the point. It focuses on the main character who keeps losing everything and getting betrayed, only to start from scratch again. Although there isn't a deep story in place, many fans preferred this playstyle as it didn't get too complicated while also allowing them to mostly focus on gameplay and open world exploration. Number 6, we have GTA Vice City. GTA Vice City offers an interesting take on storyline since it favors longer missions each made of multiple parts, which makes it more compelling and immersive. On top of that, it features one of the greatest soundtracks of all GTA games, thus giving some great vibes during each story mission. The only issue is that if players get lost at any part regarding the story's progression, they will have to backtrack quite a bit to find out what they missed. Number 5, we have GTA 5. GTA 5 offered a more unique approach to storytelling by splitting its story equally between 3 different characters, only to have these 3 paths unite towards the end. Then it's up to the player to choose which one to follow and pick the most suitable ending for them. With the largest map in the series and with multiple places to explore, each with its own distinct storyline, GTA 5 has multiple unique stories to tell and fans loved it for that. Number 4, we have Ballad of Gay Tony GTA 4. The Ballad of Gay Tony is an expansion for GTA 4 that follows the story of Tony, owner of the most successful nightclubs in Liberty City, through the eyes of Luis Lopez. It offers a unique story in the sense that the player starts right off from being a rich person and lives in luxury. Although Luis isn't the most interesting character, this expansion pack includes multiple unique side characters whose stories are equally compelling, like Tony and Yusuf Amir. Number 3, we have GTA 4 Lost and Damned. The Lost and Damned was an expansion to GTA 4 which offered up a short but great story. The player follows the story of John Clips, the current leader of the gang, the Lost Brotherhood, who is in contrast with the actual leader of the gang, Billy, who just got released from rehab. Despite its interesting and immersing story, it is slightly set back as it's often compared to GTA 4's story and the character of Nico Bellic, which is almost impossible to surpass. Nevertheless, The Lost and Damned is considered to be the series' best expansion for storyline purposes. Number 2, we have GTA San Andreas. San Andreas offered a unique story compared to other games through character progression from city to rural areas and back to the city again. With Las Venturas and Los Santos being the 2 most iconic states in the GTA franchise, San Andreas showcases the city stories in interesting and compelling ways. Although there is no character progression, each character is interesting in its own way and contributes to the story's immersion, which combined with the great gameplay made San Andreas one of the best games in the Grand Theft Auto series overall. By now you might have guessed which game is in number 1 spot. Yes, it is GTA 4. GTA 4 features the best story in the series. The player feels like connected to the main character as they see them progressing and learning new skills throughout the story. Although Nico Bellic, the protagonist, is considered one of the funniest protagonists in GTA series, it's not all about the main character. The game offers interesting and unique side characters like the Little Jacob and Roman, the latter's penchant for bowlings notwithstanding, who offer constantly progressing stories full of suspense and managed to keep fans at the edge of their seats about what's to happen next. That's all for today. If you enjoyed today's video, then don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.